Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you are in good health. I am also fine here. I hope you are staying home and you are studying well. You know, due to global crisis of COVID-19, there is prevailing a standstill situation everywhere. So, educational institutions and all other organizations are stopped, but your institutions, although close, but it has decided to run online class for you so that you can get help smoothly to go ahead with your aim and goal. So here you see, I am your English teacher, MD Mustaqim, Assistant Teacher English, Bandarban Canton Public School and College. Welcome to my today's class. So dear students, here you see my today's topic. My today's topic is very important topic, somewhat difficult for the students. You see, transformation of sentence, subject English second paper for class 9 and 10. So dear students, now we will go to the discussion on the topic. So dear students, I already said my today's topic is transformation of sentence. Here I have written some information notes on the topic. There are different kinds of sentences to transfer from one to another. To transform sentences, you may need to know the method how to transfer sentences from one to another. There are several methods to transfer sentences such as voice, degree, narration, sentences according to their meaning, assertive, imperative, exclamatory and so on, sentences according to their structure, simple, complex and compound. Among these, already you have known about changing voice, changing degree, narration, because from class 6 you are studying about these three topics, and also you have already studied about how to about changing sentence, assertive to interrogative, interrogative to assertive, assertive to imperative, imperative to assertive, exclamatory to assertive, assertive to exclamatory and so on. So dear students, today I have decided to discuss on how to change sentences based on their structure. There are three kinds of sentences according to their structure, such as simple, complex, compound. Structurally, sentences are divided into three kinds, and these are very important. Today I will discuss on how to change simple to complex and complex to compound. So dear students, now we will try to know what is simple sentence. Simple sentence, it has one subject and one predicate. There are some example given. You look at this example, then you understand it has one subject and one predicate. So first example, 20 Freeport citizens protested the ban against smoking. Here you see the sentence has only one subject and one predicate. The subject part is 20 Freeport citizens protested the ban against smoking. This one is predicate. The boy plays football. You see here the boys, one subject, play football, one predicate. So next one, because of his illness he could attend the meeting. So these are all example of simple sentence because they have only one subject and one predicate. So now we will see what is complex sentence. Complex sentences, it has one complete sentence which is also known as independent or main clause, and one subordinate clause which is also known as dependent clause. So dear students, in bracket you see sometimes in a complex sentence subjects or a predicate might be missing. So a complex sentence is introduced most of the time with the word like a conjunctive adverb like although, however, moreover, because, if, so on. There are many words like that. So look at the example of complex sentence. Although 20 pre-fort citizens protested the smoking ban, the newspaper failed to cover the story. In the sentence you see it has one complete sentence and one subordinate clause. Look, although 20 pre-fort citizens protested the smoking ban. This one is dependent clause which cannot fulfill the meaning without other part, that is the newspaper failed to cover the story. So this one is complete sentence or independent or main clause. Although he is rich, he is honest. You see this one also an example of complex sentence. Here you see two part it has, one is complete sentence, another one is a dependent clause. For example, although he is rich, although he is rich, so it cannot give a full sense, it depends on other part, that is he is honest. So you see that he is honest, that is a complete sentence, and this one is a dependent clause. Next example, I know that he would help me. So here also you see it has one complete sentence and one dependent clause. I know that one is dependent clause, he would help me, that is a main clause or complete sentence. Now we'll try to see what is compound sentence. A compound sentence has two complete sentences joined by a comma or coordinating conjunction like and, or, nor, but, etc. So dear students, a compound sentence has two complete sentences. Both sentences will be independent, but they would be joined with a conjunction like and, or, nor, but. Look at the example. 20 Freeport citizens protested the smoking ban, but the newspaper failed to cover the story. In the sentence you see it has two parts. One part is 20 Freeport citizens protested the smoking ban. That is a complete sentence because it gives a fuller sense. And next one is you see the newspaper failed to cover the story. That is also a complete sentence, but these two complete sentence joined with the help of a conjunction. What is the conjunction? It is but. So next sentence, I went there and found him racing. So here also you see it has two clauses. Both clauses are independent. Read or you will fail. Here you see two part joined with or. He is rich but he is honest. So here also you can see it has two part. Both are complete sentence. He is rich, he is honest, but these two complete sentence joined with the help of but. So far you have learned what is simple, what is complex, and what is compound sentence. Now we will try to understand or read how to transfer from simple to complex and compound. So rule 1, you can see here, rule 1 is 2. That means if a simple sentence has 2 or infinitive 2 which give the sense of purpose, how can we change it into complex and compound? You can see here, we read to learn. Here you see this is a simple sentence, and here you can see to use. So in this kind of simple sentence, how you can make complex? You need to use so that. Look at the example we read, so that we can learn. And if you want to make it compound, you need to use and. Or for example, we read and we learn. So I think you understood rule 1. That means when any simple sentence has 2 plus B1, you need to make it complex with the help of so that, and you can make it compound sentence using and or. If you look at the example, you will be clear more. Here I have given some exercise for you so that you can understand more vividly. Number 1, we exercise to be fit. Here you see to use in this simple sentence. So in bracket you can see you need to make it complex. So you will try it. Number 2, the people of Bangladesh fought to save the country. In this simple sentence also you see to use. Number 3, men eat so that they can live. It's a simple sentence. You have to make that is a complex sentence. You have to make it simple. So in below you can see the answer of this 3 sentence. First one, we exercise to be fit. We need to make it complex. We exercise so that we can be fit. Second one, the people of Bangladesh fought to save the country. You need to make it compound. The people of Bangladesh fought and they saved the country. Number 3, you can see men eat so that they can live. So you need to make it simple. How you will make it simple? Men eat to live. So here we have finished rule 1. Now I will go rule 2. So in rule 2, in simple sentence, when you see in spite of or despite, how will you make it complex and compound? Look at the example. Despite being poor, he is honest. In this sentence you can see despite use. It is a simple sentence. So in this type of sentence, if you want to make it complex sentence, you have to use though or although. Look, though he is poor, he is honest. Here you see being poor, that was a despite being poor, that was a phrase. Here we have make it a clause. Though he is poor, he is honest. So then how will you make it compound? You need to use but. If any in any simple sentence you see in spite of or despite, or in complex sentence you see though or although, you will make it compound by using but. Here you you look at the example. He is poor but he is honest. So now we will look at more example. Exercise 2, you see in spite of his poverty, he is honest. You need to make it complex. So how will you make? In the simple sentence you can see in spite of. So that means you need to use though although to make it complex. Look at the answer. Though he is poor, he is honest. Number 2, despite being rich, he leads a poor life. You need to make it compound. So in rule 2, you have seen that when despite or in spite of use in any simple sentence, if we want to make it compound, we need to use but. So how will make it compound? He is rich but he leads a poor life. Now example 3, he is ill but he can run fast. Simple, you need to make it simple. The sentence is in compound because in the sentence but use. So how will you make it simple? We need to use in spite of or despite. So what will be the answer? In spite of his being ill, he can run fast. So now I will go to rule 3. So rule 3, you can see verb plus ing. That means when you look that in a simple sentence begin with verb plus ing, you need to make it complex by using since or as, and you have to make it compound by using and so. Look at the example. Being punished, he wept. So how we have make it complex here? As he was punished, he wept. And compound, he was punished and so he wept. So we will see more example here. Being poor, Rubel could not buy a chain. You have to make it complex. So you see being poor, that means verb plus ing. So how will you make it complex? You need to use as or since. Since Rubel was poor, he could not buy a chain. Since the water was very hot, I could not drink it. You need to make it simple, and the sentence is in complex. So in the place of since, instead of since, we need to use being. So the water being very hot, I could not drink it. Closing the door, he went back to work. Compound. So you see here verb plus ing, that means it is a simple sentence. You need to make it compound by using and so. So he closed the door and so he went to work. So dear students, now we will go to role 4. So in any simple sentence, you see enough or to ... you have to make it complex by using so ... that. That is a negative, and you need to make it very ... and. If you look at the example, it will be more clear to you. He is too weak to walk. Here you see in the sentence to ... to use. So how will you make it complex? You need to use so ... that. He is so weak that he cannot walk. He is very weak and he cannot walk. So in compound sentence we use very ... and. So now we will look at more example. Here you see Suhail was too honest to show excuse. So the complex is Suhail was so honest that he could not show excuse. And number 2, he is too weak to carry the load. Compound, you need to make it compound. So how can we make it compound? He is very weak and he cannot carry the load. And number 3, they were very nice and could not be used just at present. You need to make it simple. So how will be a simple? Simple will be to ... to you need to use in the structure. They were too nice to use just at present. So dear students, now we will go to the role 5. This one is my today's final rules. Today I will not discuss anymore. Just I have discussed 5 rules today. So look at these rules. In any simple sentence, if you see without, that means if any sentence begins with without plus verb ing, how will you make it complex? You need to make it complex by using if or in case, and compound will be by using or. Look at the example. Without reading you will fail. So how will you make it complex? If you do not read, you will fail. Compound, read or fail, read or you will fail. So dear students, here I have completed 5 rules in changing sentence simple to complex and compound. So you will study more about these rules. Here I will give some exercise on rule 5. Look at this. Without working hard, you cannot success in life. Sorry, it will be succeed in life. Complex, you need to make it complex. So how will you make it complex? If you have to say, if you don't work hard, you cannot succeed in life. And number 2, if you don't run fast, you will catch the train. Simple. So how will you make it simple? In the place of if we say without, then the main verb is run. So we make it ing because you know that after preposition verb is always ing. Without running fast, you will not catch the train. Number 3, without working hard, you will not prosper in life. You need to make it compound. So what will be the compound? Work hard or you will not prosper in life. So dear students, today I have discussed 5 rules on changing simple to complex and compound. So I will discuss more on this topic later. So dear students, today I will end here. I hope you will study at your home on simple complex compound, because among all transformation of sentence, this topic is the most complicated topic. Students needs a lot of time to understand this topic, but if you study sincerely and attentively, I hope you will not take lots of time to understand this topic. But I always tell you, your repeated study and your repeated exercise will make your lesson easy and comfortable. So Allah Hafiz. Today I will end here. Thank you very much.